Good morning, students. Today we will learn protein of nutrition, chapter 3. A protein is a complex, high molecular weight organic compound that consists of amino acids joined by peptide bonds. Protein are essential to the structure and function of all living cells and viruses. Many proteins are enzyme or subunits of enzymes. Then sources and functions. Sources, there are two main sources, animal protein and vegetable protein. मीन्स जो एनिमल से मिलते हैं प्रोटीन और जो वेजिटेबल से मिलते हैं, दीज आर टू सोर्सेस. Protein is a complex high molecular weight organic compound that consists of amino acids joined by peptide bonds. Protein are essential to the structure and function of all living cells and viruses, in which animal protein and vegetable protein are two main dietary sources of protein. In animal protein, milk, meat, egg and fish are important animal sources of protein. Animal protein contain all essential amino acids in adequate amount. Of their egg protein are best because they have high biological value and digestibility. Egg is the most important protein because it have a high biological value and digestibility. Then second is the vegetable protein. Vegetable proteins are found in pulses, cereals, beans and nuts, and they are poor essential amino acids. Then functions of protein. Protein are involved in practically every function performed by cell, including regulation of cellular function such as transduction and metabolism. Protein is an important macronutrient to human diet, supplying the body's need for nitrogen and amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Protein is the uh, important micronutrient of the human diet, and it supplies body's need of nitrogen and amino acids. Building blocks of protein. Tissue building protein is the major component in the regulation, growth and differentiation of muscles, tendons, enzymes, skin, hair and eyes, as well as tremendous variety of other organs and processes. Then energy system. 1 gram of protein on oxidation produces 4 kilocalorie of energy. The plasma protein, especially albumin, is help to control the water balance. Metabolic functions. Protein help in various metabolic functions through enzymes, hormones, antibodies. Hormones secreted by various glands are protein in nature. They regulate and coordinate body's processes and activities. Enzymes help in accelerating the rate of reaction without taking part in it. Antibodies are also protein in nature. Protein forms antibodies and special WBC defend the bodies against infection and disease and thus participate in body's immune system. Then transport of nutrient. Due to their atmospheric nature, amphoteric nature, proteins are ideal carriers of nutrient across cell membrane. Proteins as lipoprotein transport triglycerides, cholesterol and fat soluble vitamins. These are the functions of protein. Protein are involved practically in every function performed by cells, and it also conduct a metabolic function and help in various metabolic activities through enzyme, hormone and antibodies. Enzyme, hormone and antibodies are a protein form of protein, and in antibodies it form a special WBC to defend body against infection and diseases, thus participate in body's immune system. Then amino acids. There are two types of amino acids, essential amino acids and the non-essential amino acid. Essential means these are required, and non-essential is not required from diet. Essential amino acid. Protein is the major component in the regulation, growth and differentiation of muscle, tendons and enzyme and skin, hair, eyes. The quality of protein intake is important because different proteins supply essential amino acid in different proportion. Given adequate intake of nitrogen, the remaining 8 amino acids threonine, valine, tryptophan, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, phenylalanine and methionine cannot be manufactured by the body and must be acquired through supplementation. Thus they are essential amino acid. Essential amino acid body cannot this form. This you have to take from the other food, diet. And non-essential amino acids are synthesized by our body. They are not an essential part of your diet. There are 11 non-essential amino acids: alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamic acid, glutamine, glycine, proline, serine and tyrosine. These are the non-essential amino acids. मेन डिफरेंस क्या है इसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड एंड नॉन इसेंशियल में? इसेंशियल बॉडी में ही तैयार होते हैं, डाइट से लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं रहती है। और नॉन इसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड इसेंशियल डाइट से लेने की ज़रूरत होती है और नॉन इसेंशियल डाइट में नहीं लिए तो भी ये बॉडी सिंथेसाइज कर लेती है। नॉन इसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड आर सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय आवर बॉडी एंड इसेंशियल नॉट सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय आवर बॉडी, इट रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम द डाइट. So non-essential are not essential part of our diet. Then types of protein: complete protein and incomplete protein. Complete protein contain all essential amino acids which our body requires daily. Sources of complete protein: animal sources of protein are complete protein and some plant food contain all essential amino acids. Complete protein means it contain all essential amino acids and incomplete means not all essential amino acid present in this protein, and in complete protein all essential amino acids are present. So sources of complete protein are: animal sources of protein are complete protein and some plant food contain all essential amino acids. Sources of complete animal protein include milk, yogurt, cheese, meat, poultry, fish, seafood, eggs. Soya protein is a plant-based protein